You remember in the last video I talked about the bottle of gas. I wanted to buy a bigger bottle with a higher pressure, so it's that one, see, and I changed also the regulator, and look like the welding are really better. I mean, are better. See, it's what I did just now with that, and look like it's better than the previous bottle and previous regulator. Some of you may ask why I did not make a trolley or something to carry. The problem, I don't have enough space in my small garage. Even it's not a garage, it's a cabin. I have a cabinet to put my welding machine, but it's not enough high to put the bottle. So that's why I did this monkey business. I don't like the smoke when I welded here. I don't know if you remarked, and of course it's same here, so better to be prudent. As you can see, the inner seal and outer seal are not correctly joined, but the floor panel after will cover the inner seal, and so it will be not so obvious, not even not obvious at all. Anyway, it's well welded, so I think the structure is still strong. So anyway, let's see if ever one day I cross the floor by driving. It means that I was wrong. Cell phone. Oh, I must make a fold after to follow this line. Let's see how I will do. Sorry for the missing sections in this repair area, but my camera went out and I filmed with my cell phone, and it's less easier than to use action cam. I must do this part, this piece of metal. As you can see, it's welded under the jack point. See on the chassis. And to fold, there's no problem, of course, but the problem is to make this shape. I was thinking to use a bolt as a template under, but my problem is I have only basic tools. I have a big, I don't know in English. I forgot the name. Please tell me. And I'm working in my small moving cabin. Let's see by using this method.